Yeah, dude. I don't even know why I'm trying to go to work. It's fucking shit. Oh, man. I don't think the bus is gonna be running, but whatever. Fuck. Because at least I'll have proof that if they try to say I called out, these niggas can't say shit. I kind of doubt that there's any fucking yeah, I kind of doubt that there's any fucking buses. But we will see. Fucking wow. I have a hard time believing that, these buses are gonna run at all. Either that or a good trapped. That's fucking great. Fuck. What happens when you call out 2 days straight? Get in trouble or some dumb shit. Just because I call out, and it doesn't look like it's gonna stop. I don't know if this camera's catching all these snowflakes, but fuck. I will wait exactly till the time it says my bus comes. And then, yeah, if it don't come, then I'm shit out of luck. Other than that, I think I'm already shit out of luck, but we'll see. There's gonna be ass right by my stop. Fuck. There's a police station and everything. It's highly unlikely. All these fingerprints are mine. Probably the only soul who's dumb enough to go to work. And I already called out 2 days, so I'm trapped at work. They'll pay me OT. That's okay. Other than that, I can't really, work tomorrow especially. But yeah, it's great. It's fucking great. Yeah, this is me, Almighty D. It's fucking New York weather. It's a piece of shit.